Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Fahmida Chaudhary from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Today I'm going to describe a picture, so let's get started. This is a picture of super shop. At first, I can see a glass door. In front of the glass door, there is a lady who carrying her purse and talking on phone. In front of the lady, there is a man who carried a basket and pushing baby trolley. There is a twin baby in the trolley. In front of the baby, there is a soft toy. In front of the man, there is a rack. The rack is full of different types of fruits. I can see many fruits in the rack. There are grapes, blueberries, pineapples, orange and watermelon, etc. In front of the rack, there is a table on the table there is a flower vase. The flower color is pink. In front of the table, there is another rack with different types of bread. The French bread, white bread, brown bread, etc. This is all about of this shop. Thanks for listening me cordially. Assalamu alaikum.